now tuned into the greatest. Turn the music up in the headphones.
What is up, YouTube? Markicks coming at you with another video. Before I get into this video, I just want to say, if any of you guys are car lovers, or you like cars, or you just like watching videos about cars, go check out the car channel. Sorry, headphone users. Cold start. Yeah, the boy is crazy, but there's a lot more stuff happening to that car, a lot more stuff happening to the new Range Rover, so that's just crazy. But yeah, just wanted to, you know, plug myself before the video. But yeah, today obviously we had the release. This whole weekend is crazy. All-Star weekend in LA. There's just a lot of things dropping, and low-key the best drop is that camo Kobe, but we won't talk about that because that's not what you want to hear. But today the gold toe ones dropped, and didn't go how I expected. I thought it would be a lot more hard to get. Let's just say I got a lot of pairs on release day and I didn't really even have to do anything. Like, I didn't need some crazy bot or slots or anything. Like, that's just what it was. The shoe, to be honest, caught me really off guard. I don't like this. I don't like the patent leather. It's just me. It's just that's just how I feel about the ones. I don't like that type of look. I don't like the feel of this shoe. You know, I just wish it was a normal one. Like, I just wish it was just normal. With the normal materials, leather, you know. Just something butter. That's all it had to be. You could have just made it literally same materials as the Royal one, and I wouldn't have had no problems with you. Same material. If you would have had the same material, I would have been perfect. We would have been chilling. But no, you wanted to switch it up. But some people really like this shoe, so, you know, it's just your preference. At the end of the day, I like the 3 laces, 3 different lace choices. That's cool. So Jordan, I really can't be mad at you. You tried your best. The prices on these is the reason I put, is this shoe gonna make me consider quitting reselling? Because when I got started, maybe 2013, every weekend you could almost make some good money. And I'm not saying this is good money. This is kind of how it was back in the day, where you bought it and they didn't sell for crazy prices, but you can make 80 bucks, 75 bucks. So you can make a little extra. So say you sell 3 of these and boom, and then you copped a pair, boom, your shoe is free. Cause the profits from your selling covered the price of the shoe. So that's kind of how I used to want to do it. I wanted to pretty much be buying free shoes pretty much. But here's the thing. It started at $450 and the price just went down as the supply and demand. So is it gonna make me quit reselling? It's just tough. I love shoes. Selling shoes is fun to me. I don't know. I like meeting famous people. I like selling to famous people. So that side of it is fun. But just to see how Jordan's become, and we got a release tomorrow that I think is one of the best shoes that will drop this year. And the fact that they're releasing 1 million pairs is not gonna make it cool. Like, I saw somebody tweet, there will be 100,000 black cement 3s in the LA area. That is nuts. That is, I can't even put that into words. That is ridiculous. There will be so many pairs. Literally in LA, you could probably get either an ice cream cone, or you could buy the 3s from the ice cream man. Like, it'll be like that. It'll be just nuts. Nuts. But no, this shoe, I mean, it's cool. I'm probably gonna sell my pair. Is this my pair? Yeah, 12. But yeah, I don't know. I might keep it, I might sell it. I don't really like this look. I don't like the patent leather. It's just not me. I don't know. Not on a one. Not me. But I love one. Gold toe ones. Car channel Markicks&Whips. Instagram Marco Polo 2023. Same thing, Twitter, just search Markicks on Google. You will find me, man. Google me. Tell me if you cop, tell me if you had trouble copping OVO 8. Sneakers is trash. And yeah, we're lit. Can't wait for tomorrow's release. I love that shoe. If you still need it, hit me up. Markicks.com, whatever you need. I don't know, man. It is what it is, man.